Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Telegram X. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into Telegram X, first make sure you've downloaded the application on your device. If not, go visit your Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in Telegram X and search. Soon after you do that, tap on the install button right next to the app to download the application on your device. Since I've already downloaded it, I only have an option to open it. Let me tap on the open button to launch the app open. Now, the first interface of Telegram X will look like this. In order to log into your account, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the start messaging link at the bottom of the page. Once you tap on that, on the next page, go ahead and select your country in the first text box. Now type in your phone number in the next field. Make sure to type in a valid phone number that you have an access to. On the next page, you'll receive an SMS with a confirmation code to the phone number. Let's tap on the next button in the bottom right corner to reach to the next page. On the next page, you'll need to type in the code that has been sent to the Telegram app on your other device. Type in the confirmation code in the text box. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on the continue button in order to find your contacts, and there you have successfully logged into Telegram X. You'll end up in the chat screen of Telegram. All of your conversation will also be shown in this page. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.